Hey diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get free thermal labels look like this for your business if you have a thermal printer. Thermal labels look like this. And it comes in a roll, and this is 940 thermal label for your thermal printer. They are 4x6, so they will fit the Rollo thermal printer. Again, this was completely free, so if you want to see exactly how I ordered, keep watching this video. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Hey diamonds, so the website you're going to go to is ups.com. You're going to sign up, but I'm going to show you the process of signing up. So this is what it'll look like when you sign up. You'll know you're signed up because the little avatar in the right corner will have your first and last name next to it, like so. So what you want to do, to go to shipping and then click on order supplies. So since you don't have an account yet, you want to make sure you sign up. The process is really simple. Signing up with UPS, you want to create your name, have your name, email, user ID, password, phone number, agree to the terms, and sign up. Now, when you're ordering your supplies, you're going to create another account to get your supplies. It's the same account, you just have to sign up twice. So you'll know you're signed in when it says your UPS account number, and then you'll have letters and numbers. So the categories here, you can see you're going to go under labels and stickers. So under labels and stickers, you're gonna see different thermal labels. And the one you're going to pick is the direct thermal label roll, and it's 4 inches by 6 inches. And you're gonna click the box on the right and add it to your cart. In order for your account to pop up and show during this process, you're gonna go to your profile and add a payment method under your profile. And it's just that simple. Once you create your account, follow all those steps, you too can have your free roll for your Rollo printer. Again, these are 4x6 and they come in a roll of 940. Okay, if you want more content like this, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Bye.